Summit Journal Day 8, Thursday of Second Chances Spotlight. Thursdays are about sharing with you some ideas from the successful work that the Prison Entrepreneurship Program or the United Nations Agency for Refugees are doing. Please watch this 3-minute video to learn about PEP and how your help is creating a change.
Begin by saying thank you. Thank you for believing in the mission of PEP. Thank you for participating in it. Thank you for entrusting us with your time and talents and treasures to be able to further the mission of Prison Entrepreneurship Program, to be able to ease the transition for those who have been incarcerated back into society. As we come to the end of the year, the needs are many. Your gift to PEP makes a profound difference to the organization at this time. As many of you are aware, we're getting ready to scale the organization, to try and amplify our work beyond the units and the communities where we've been to those where we're being asked to go. It takes a lot of time and talent and treasure. It takes funding and resources to be able to do that. This past year, we've seen a lot of changes. Even now, as I speak to you, we're in the middle of transitioning from Bell Unit, where we've been for many years, to the Pam Lynchner Unit north of Houston. That's a significant move for our volunteers as well as the men that are in the program. We are in need of vehicles to be able to help transport our participants, our life caddies around. This is really the lifeblood of what we do at reentry time, is to be able to help those make their appointments and get the resources they need so they can be successful. In the Dallas and North Texas area, our Gaston Innovation House property, we found out that there was asbestos in that property that we didn't know about. And so that's added additional costs that we need to carry under the operational cost of making sure that we have adequate housing for those that want it. And we have staff. We have people that dedicate their lives to this mission, and we want to make sure that we can take care of them. And so on this page, you'll see that there are 3 thermometers, and those 3 thermometers, it take 70% and 20% and 10% of every gift that you give, and they put it into these buckets so that we can make sure that we're allocating to the resources where they're most needed. And we really thank you for your trust of allowing us to be able to give accordingly. As we come to the end of the year, I hope you feel an excitement for where PEP is going. I'm really excited about the opportunities we have to amplify this program beyond the North Texas and Houston region to beyond and throughout Texas. I'm really excited for all the lives that we'll be able to touch, not just for the participants in our program, but also for those that are in our communities that work alongside PEP, because we're being asked to step into areas of leadership and convening and sharing of best practices with other organizations that can learn from us and who we can learn from as well. In the past few months, I've had a chance to meet many people. I've had a chance to see the contributions that a community can make on a single person and what a single person can do for a community. So thank you. Thank you from all of us at the Prison Entrepreneurship Program for your contribution, for the difference that you make, and for the lives that you've transformed.